Hey, I'm Ann Myrick, and today we're going to talk about making the room look cozier. I'm a decorator. I work with what people have. I love running around and finding things that are already there and just making the house look really interesting. And what you want to do a lot of times is you want to ground the room. You want to be sure that the room looks like it's not going anywhere. It's not hollow. It's not too leggy. And ways to do that, and ways to the more solid the furniture is, the heavier it is, the cozier it is. And then using darker colors and very comfortable pieces. So what I'm going to do is just show you some different ideas in making it cozier. I'm going to stick this square basket and see what it does is it holds the baskets, but it makes it more interesting. It creates texture, and then it fills up this hole. I'm going to take and put some books down. I'm going to take this, and just the lamp sitting on the table to me looks kind of cold. And if you don't have a tray, what I do is just create one. I've taken a picture off the wall in a black frame, and I'll just use that as a tray. And then when you bring your furniture closer together, it creates more of a unit, and it creates more of a full, heavy feel, and it just makes it a little cozier because it brings it together. So bring the chairs together. You can put a quilt or something on the couch and just keep on layering your room. This is Ann Myrick, and that's how to make your rooms cozy.